on the question, since there's a heavenly portal connected to Zmut, to the Sukkah, still applies the dangerous time after midnight to drink beverage without covering? I mean, does it still apply? Sorry, no. Yeah, does it still apply the dangerous time? Yep.
Okay. So it's actually also from the Talmud, and Rambam said as well, and it's not only Rambam, it's also said in Shulchan Aruch. So if a beverage was stood overnight uncovered, so uncovered meaning so if you had something on top of it, for example, if you have napkins, so I'm not sure if it's going to be covered or not covered, because the danger was, the explanation was logical, that maybe snake drank from it, and in olden days they did not have this insulation we have today, so that it was normal for the snake, from the mice, from all of these animals just come and go. So for example, now we have this problem. I'm not sure what to do with this problem. We have a possum coming to my porch like every night, and he does whatever he does, like he does not want to go away. So we spray today with a special like mice spray, but we'll see. On the internet they say these opossums, they're very stubborn. Like sometimes you have to like catch them and relocate them. Of course, I don't want to touch it, I don't want to catch it, I don't want to do anything, but fortunately. You understand? So, but it's in our days. So in olden days, these animals can come to the house, come and go as they wishes. So, and this snake, if he drinks from your beverage, right, from the water, right. So, for example, you have water in your cup, so, and it was not covered. So, and if you drink from this cup, you're going to get the poison. Okay, so that would be the issue. So of course, if it's dangerous in a house, needless to say, if you go outside, right, sleep outside. If you have something in the sukkah, of course, must cover. Okay, what else?
And the other question she wrote on the comment is, and also, we should be very cautious to recite the Tehillim between sunset and midnight, or there's a special protection as well, or is there a
yeah.
Well?
So yes, okay. From the sunset and until midnight, it's a time of judgment, and they say not to. So there is such opinion not to learn the written Torah. Right, so written Torah, and Tehillim is one of the 24 books of the Torah. So some people say don't. So it's the night. That's when the night starts. It's proper to learn oral Torah. So whatever we're doing now is oral Torah. So if person is going to do something else, so I would say just read Tehillim. And plus, when we say in translation, so there is no danger that you're going to make a mistake with interpreting, right? Because this evil spirit can confuse person. If he reads Hebrew, I'm not sure. Like I heard many times a person say, I need. I say, how are you with the study? And the person says, I just need to learn Hebrew. So when person says, I just need to know Hebrew, I know that he knows exactly zero about zero. Understand? Because if you try to learn a Chumash and you see like Rashi, taking one word, and he proves his point from all of these other places in Chumash, in Tanakh, right? That his translation is correct. You understand? So if Rashi has to like apologize and say, I translated this word like that because of this, because of that, and because of that, so who are you, little you, to read the Chumash, even though if you know how to pronounce words and you know like Mother Hebrew to understand what it says. You understand? But when you learn, for example, this Chumash with Rashi, with translation, with commentary, there is no problem. Also, so it becomes not a written Torah but oral Torah, because translation is in translation it's actually explanation. So this explanation is oral Torah, and if you see the translation from different translators, so you see the translation many times is very different. Why? Because they're not translating literally; they're trying to convey the idea. Okay, so it's more like a oral Torah. So if you can avoid read something else, you read something else. But if you wanna, that's the Torah is only Torah available. I say go ahead.